Hello, this is Patrick from XPression, and I'd like to show you a new function of the XPression encoder, the ability to transcode certain MXF file formats into the XPression video codec. I'm working in encoder, and if you look at my sources, I'm going to have a watch folder structure that's got a parsing option for the file extension filter of .mxf. What that means is files thrown into this folder now when it's being monitored will now also find .mxf files. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to go in. I've got a test file that's been provided to us by one of our customers. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come over to my input folder, which is labeled news. I'm going to paste it in. You'll see that it went in. So I'm going to come back to my encoder manager. I'm going to go to tasks, and you'll see in the tasks it's transcoding the file. Now, in all fairness, I'm doing this on my laptop, which has quite a bit of content on it, not a lot of free space in the drive, so it's running kind of slow. So I'm going to let this run, and we'll speed this up so that we can get through this tutorial a little quicker. Okay, we're just about done. I'm going to let that go. It's finished its filing, and once it's done that, it should be appearing in my XPression Clips database. So I'm going to go back to XPression. I'm going to find that clip pop in here. I'm going to resort my clips by date, and you can see the file has shown up. Also, you can see I've got an email that's telling me that the file has transcoded. It gave me the start times and the time codes and everything else. You can see here is the start time, here's the end time. So it took about just under a minute. Now, I've got the file here. I'm going to show you something else interesting. If I go to my clip browser under settings, I've got the option for timecode to use source timecode for ins and outs. Where this is interesting, this particular file, if I go to edit it, by right-clicking on it, choosing edit, it's going to load the clip, but what I want you to notice is the in times and the out times have the source time code. This is a 30-second clip. You can see that it starts at 1 hour, and I can go ahead and I can scrub that time code, and I can put new markers at different spaces, and it's marking it as ins and outs at the 1 hour marker. But I've got that ingested. I'm working with it. I'm going to just drag it into my server channel. I'm going to click play, and you'll see that my virtual output is going to pop up, and you can see that clip playing, and yes, I am using the calibrated codec package for an AVC Intra decode with a .mxf file extension. So it is an AVC Intra file. It has source timecode, and it is now being ingested using the XPression encoder.